This past week in my busyness, I found myself grumbling and driven. The joy of serving had left me, and I was not joyfully serving as Christ would have me do. Then one morning, by divine providence, I found the passage laid out before me, none other than the story of Mary and Martha. I had been so focused, serving like Martha, that I had neglected to worship as Mary. What grace when God gives us His word as a lamp to our feet and a light to our path. Martha was busy and hurried, serving the friend divine, cleansing the cups and the platters, bringing the bread and the wine. But Martha was careful and anxious, fretted in thought and in word. She had no time to be learning, while she was serving the Lord. For Martha was cumbered with serving. Martha was troubled with things. Those that would pass with the using, she was forgetting her wings. But Mary was quiet and peaceful, learning to love and to live. Mary was hearing His precepts. Mary was letting Him give. Give of the riches eternal, treasures of mind and of heart, learning the mind of the Master, choosing the better part. Do we ever labor at serving till voices grow fretful and shrill, forgetting how to be loving, forgetting how to be still? Do we strive for things in possession and toil for the perishing meat, neglecting the one thing needful, sitting at Jesus' feet? Service is good when He asks it. Labor is right in its place. But there is one thing better, looking up into His face. There is so much He would tell us, truths that are precious and deep. This is the place where He wants us. These are the things we can keep. Annie Johnson Flint. Seek those things which are above, where Christ sitteth on the right hand of God. Set your affection on things above, not on the things on the earth. Colossians 3, verse 1 through 2. So, dear friend, as you go into your week, I hope that you will learn from the lesson that I have learned, that you will be quiet and still and sit at the feet of Jesus. We are simply called to turn from our sin and rest in Him. Until next time, dear friend.